So what's going on, guys? Actually, that's gonna be a very quick tutorial how to record your screen using only Windows 10. And before I start, make sure give it a like, and also if you have some questions, some problems, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond. And yeah, let's move on. Let's show you how to record your screen using only Windows 10. Here is how. First, make sure, click here on Windows button here and click on settings. Now click on gaming and make sure this option here is enabled, because if it's disabled it won't working. Yeah, so now make it on, and as you can see, to open Xbox game bar, just click Windows button and G. Hold Windows button and G in the same time, and as you can see, it's appeared this Xbox bar. And now to record, just click here, capture. Yeah, it appears this capture here. And now to record, just click the cycle, and now you're recording. As you can see, here appears this window that says we are recording. And to stop, just click here this button, the rectangle, and you stop recording. To make it more easier to start or stop recording, just hold Windows button, Alt and R, and now as you can see we start recording. And to stop recording, just also click Windows button, Alt and record. Also, you can customize your shortcut to be another hotkey, and that's it. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also as I said, if you have some problems, some questions, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond in a few days. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.